Hello everyone! Good morning my dearest students and parents. So, for today's video, magdidiscuss na naman tayo ng another topic sa para sa i-discuss natin for today's video, ang ating topic ay operations on rational algebraic expressions. But today, we're just going to discuss the first two lessons, which is about multiplying and dividing rational algebraic expressions. Bakit pinagsama ko na lang silang dalawa? It is because connected silang dalawa. So mamaya, malalaman nyo kung bakit. So let's start. The objectives of our lesson for today is for you to be able to find the product and quotient of rational algebraic expressions. So the product of two rational expressions is the product of the numerators over the denominator. So in symbol, if we have A over B times C over D, just simply multiply A by C, so that is AC over BD. Where BD is not equal to 0. So dapat hindi 0 ang either of B or D. So let us now proceed on multiplying rational algebraic expressions. So meron tayong 4 steps to follow. Ang una nating step, of course, we're going to get, if possible, the prime factors of the given expression. Next, we are now going to multiply the numerator by the numerator and denominator by the denominator. And the third step, we are going to divide out common factor. And the last step, we are now going to simplify the remaining expression. Let us have an example. How are you going to multiply? Okay, so we have here 5t over 8 times 4 over 3t squared. So pag may nakita kayong dot or tuldok na nasa middle, ang ibig sabihin niya ay multiplication, hindi po siya point, naintindihan. So now we are going now, the first step, we are going now to get the prime factors, if possible. So ano ba ang mga prime factors ng 5? We have no, so wala nang iba, that is only 5, kasi prime factor na yung 5, so we have t. Ano ba yung mga prime factors ng 8? Ang prime number na sisimulan natin ay 2, so we have 2 times 2, that is 4, times another 2, that is 8, so we have 3 2's, so tatlong 2, times factor ng 4, we have dalawang 2, then, factor ng 3, wala na. Prime number na siya. As is, we have here t squared, meaning to say, dalawang t. Second step, multiply. So, dito natin isulat. We have 5t, 2, then 2, 2, 2, 3, t, So, ayan. Pinagsama lang natin siya in multiplying. So, ngayon naman, step 3. Ang step 3 natin, we're going to divide out common factors. So we have here 2 and 2, 2 and 2, t and t. So, meron pa ba kayong nakikitang iba? So, wala na. So, the last step, multiply the remaining numbers or expression. So, we have here 5 over 2 times 3, that is 6 times t, that is 6t. So, therefore, 5t over 8 times 4 over 3t squared is equal to 5 over 6t. Simple pa lang. So, medyo komplikahin natin yung given. Another? Okay. Okay. So we have here 5y plus 30 over 2xy minus 6x times 4x squared y over y plus 6. So, medyo complicated na siya. Okay. So, if-factor na natin yung 5y plus 30. So, ano ba ang pwede nating maging factor ng 5y plus 30? Ang lagi yung tatandaan, my dear students, syempre magdi-divide out common factor tayo. Dapat may makuha tayo, isipin natin lagi na may common dapat sa taas tsaka sa baba. So, yung malapit sa 5y plus 30 na maging possible is y plus 6. So, tingnan natin kung pwede siya sa y plus 6. Makakuha tayo ng y plus 6. Ihiwalay natin yung 5. Tanggalin natin yung 5. So, anong pwede natin i-multiply sa 5 para maging 5y? That is y. How about, anong i-multiply sa 5 para maging 30? That is positive 6. So, meaning to say, nakakuha tayo ng possible na y plus 6. So, we have 5 times y, 5y. 5 times 6, 30. Dati pa rin, na-factor lang natin siya. Next. 2xy minus 6x. Ano ang common factor ng 2 tsaka 6? So, common factor nila ay 2. So, ilalabas natin yung 2x. So, we have here, ano yung multiply mo sa 2x para maging 2xy? We have y. Ano naman yung multiply mo sa 2x para maging negative 6x? That is negative 3. So, we have 2x times y, 2xy, negative, 2 times 3, 6, copy, x. So, we have here, times, so we have here 2, we have here, x. So, we have 4x squared y. What is the prime factors of 4? That is 2. 2, 2, dalawang x, and y. So, we have here y plus 6. Wala na. So, y plus 6. Multiply. Pagsamahin lang natin. So, we have 5 y plus 6 2 2 x x y 2 x y 3 y plus 6. Okay. Divide out common factor. Y plus 6, y plus 6, 2, 2, x, x. Meron pa ba? Wala na. So, multiply the remaining. 5 times 2, that is 10, times x, that is 10x, times y, that is 10x, y. Or pwede naman, para mas malinaw, isulat muna natin yung mga natira. We have the 5, the 2, the x, and the y. We have here y minus 3. So multiply, we have 10xy over y minus 3. So as simple as this. So last example, example number 3 for multiplication. Di ba, madali lang siya. Okay. So in this case, we have x minus 5 over 4x squared minus 9 times 4x squared plus 12x plus 9 over 2x minus 11x plus 5. So medyo mahirap na, medyo complicated. So kung hindi pa kayo master sa pag-factor, matatagalan talaga kayo pag ganito yung problem. So since master na natin, I assume master nyo na ha. So we have here, factor ng x minus 5, wala na. Factor ng 4x squared minus 9. So, kung titingnan nyo, medyo hawig sila. So, ang nangyari lang dito, walang middle term, meaning to say 0. Dito naman, 12. So, ano ba ang factor ng 4 tsaka 9 na pwedeng mag-come up sa 0? So, dapat pare-parehas. So, meaning to say, ano bang factor ng 4 tsaka 9 na magkaparehas? So, meron silang yung 4, merong 2, 2. Yung 9, meron namang 3, 3. So, 2, 3, 2, 3. So, we have 6, 6, 6 minus 6. That is 0. So, combination yun ha. So, we have here, factors ng 4, kasi, so, papakita ko sa inyo. Ang factors ng 4 ay 1 times 4, 2 times 2. Sa 9 naman, 1 times 9, 3 and 3. So, alin dyan ang pwedeng mag-come up sa 0? Siyempre, etong pares na to. Kasi, pwede siyang maging 6, 6. Intindihan? Okay, dapat mamaster rin yung pagpa-factor. So, 2x, 2x. Since negative ang constant, isang positive, isang negative. So, we have 3, we have 3. 2x, 2x, 4x squared. 3 negative 3, negative 9. 2 times 3, 6. 2 times 3, 6. Negative positive, subtract 0. Correct. Times. Okay. Since lahat positive, lahat din siya positive. Kung mapapansin nyo, hawig siya dito. 3 times 2, 6. 2 times 3, 6. 6 plus 6, that is 12. So, 2x, 3, 2x, 3. 2x, 2x, 4x squared. 3 times 3, 9. 2, 3, 6. 2, 3, 6, 12. Okay. Ano ang factor ng 2? Walang iba. 2x and x. This is 2x squared. Sorry, nakalimutan ko lang. So, 2, 1 and 2, x squared, x and x. Factor ng 5, walang iba, 1 times 5. Magpo-position na lang tayo. Since negative, positive, ibig sabihin lahat to negative. So, saan natin ipo-position ang 5? So, pag dito ang 5, dito ang 1, we have 5. 1 times 2 is 2. 5 plus 2, that is 7. So, hindi. Dapat maging 11. So, we have here 1. We have here 5. 2 times 5, that is 10. 1 times 1, that is 1. 10 plus 1, okay, 11. Negative, 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 11. So, actually naman, pag sa problem, bibigyan ko talaga dito, bibigyan kayo ng problem pagdating sa lesson na ito, na may mga hawig na factor, kaya hindi kayo mahihirapan. Ibig sabihin, kung may given na factor na x minus 5, may possibility na yung mga factors nito, may lalabas na x minus 5. And same thing, pag may nakita na kayo, nag-factor out kayo ng isa, possible na yung iba, ganun din yung factor para makapag-divide out tayo ng common factor. So, multiply. We have x minus 5, 2x plus 3, 2x plus 3, 2x plus 3, 2x minus 3, 2x minus 1, x minus 5. Divide out common factor. X minus 5, x minus 5, 2x plus 3, 2x plus 3. So, ang natitira, 2x plus 3, 2x minus 3, 2x minus 1. Multiply. We have 2x plus 3, 2x, FOIL method, remember? First term, 2x, 2x, 4x squared. So we have here 2x times negative 1. We have negative 2x. Next, negative 3 times 2x, negative 6x. Negative 3, negative 1, positive 3. So 2x plus 3. Sorry ha, medyo maliit lang ang board natin. Sana may mag-sponsor. Charot. So we have 4x squared, copy. So, add, negative, negative, add 2 plus 6, that is 8, copy x, copy negative, negative 8x plus 3. So, therefore, the product of this given rational algebraic expression is 2x plus 3 over 4x squared, minus 8x plus 3. So, medyo mahirap pag medyo mahirap yung i-factor natin, medyo mahaba. So, ayan, tapos na tayo sa multiplying. So, bakit ko isinama yung division or yung dividing? So, ito na yon. Okay, so in division or in dividing rational algebraic expressions, kaya ko sila pinagsama, it is because ang division or dividing ang fractions, magpuproceed lang naman yan sa multiplication kasi yung divisor ay kukunin lang natin yung reciprocal. Pag ibig sabihin ng reciprocal, yung opposite niya o yung kabaligtaran niya, babaliktarin lang natin yung placement ng numerator sa denominator. Halimbawa, we have AB divided by CD. This is the dividend, this is a divisor, yung pang-divide. Kukopyahin mo yung dividend. Yung divisor mo ay kukunin mo yung reciprocal. Ibig sabihin, babaliktarin natin siya. Magiging ito na yung numerator, ito na yung denominator. Then, proceed to multiplication. Then, this is equal to A times D, B times C. Meaning to say, parang mag-multiply pa din tayo. So, halimbawa, magbibigay lang ako sa inyo ng isang example. Okay. So, we have here x squared minus 1 over y squared minus 2y plus 4 divided by 3x plus 3 over 15x. Of course, copy the dividend. This is x squared minus 1 over y squared minus 2y plus 4. The divisor, get the reciprocal, magiging na siyang 15x over 3x plus 3. And proceed to multiplication. Then the step, same with multiplication. Ifa-factor na natin. Ano ang factor ng x squared minus 1? Since negative yung constant, isang positive, isang negative. Since 1, walang iba, 1. So we have here x, isang positive, x, isang negative. X squared. 1 times negative 1, negative 1. 1 minus 1, that is 0. Kaya wala siyang linear term. Over. Okay, next. Y squared minus 2y plus 4. May factor ba ang 4 na pwedeng maging 2? Ang factor lang naman ng 4 is 1 times 4, 2 times 2. So, kung wala siyang factor, hindi natin ito mapa-factor out. Kaya, copy na lang natin siya. Y squared plus minus 2y plus 4 times 15x, prime factor ng 15, that is 3 times 5 times x. The next, 3x plus 3, pwede pa ba natin? So, ilabas natin yung 3. Common factor nila is 3. So, we have here 3. Multiply by x para 3x plus 1. 3 times 3, 3x, 3 times x, that is 3x. 3 times 1, that is 3. So, nakabalik. So, pagsamahin na natin, multiply. So, kung makikita nyo, meron tayong mga common factor na babataas. Meron tayong mga pare-parehas. So, x plus 1, x minus 1, 3, 5, x. Y squared minus 2y plus 4, 3, x plus 1. So, divide out common factor. X plus 1, 3, 3. Yung natitira, we have x minus 1 times x, and we have y squared minus 2y plus 4. Multiply, we have, we still have 5 here. So we have, multiply na natin, x times x, that is x squared, times 5, that is 5x squared. Negative 1 times negative x, that is negative x. Negative x times 5, that is negative 5x. Copy, y squared minus 2y plus 4. Okay, so therefore, this is the quotient. So this is the quotient of x squared minus 1 over y squared minus 2y plus 4 divided by 3x plus 3 over 15x. So napakasimple lang. Hindi na ako magbibigay ng another example kasi parehas lang naman siya ng multiplication. Yung divisor lang, babalik ta rin, then multiplication na ulit yung process. So ayan, I hope meron ko yung natutunan at na intindihan nyo yung ating lesson for today. Our lesson